Fusion Mobile, quality e-learning experience on the go.
Good day. You're welcome to Fusion Mobile e-learning class. We're about to take another topic in mathematics. The topic is set. Set. The word set means collections of an object. Collections of an object or things. Collections of an object or things. When there is a set of shoe, a pair of shoe, set means connections. Collections of an object or things. Let us consider numbers between 1 to 20. Numbers between 1 to 20. Numbers between 1 to 20, in terms of set, there are what is called symbols in set. And let the number be P. P represents the numbers between 1 to 20, which is equal to, this is the symbol for set. That is the number between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20. So P represents the numbers from 1 to 20. That's the solution to consider the numbers between 1 to 20. Set symbols are very important. Set symbols. Set symbols. Set symbols give us a clue of which objects or things we are dealing with. But these symbols or notations is very important. A X. A element X. E means element. That is, A is an element of X. It means A is an element of X. Whenever you see this kind of symbol in sets, it means A is an element of X. Where you have A, with this symbol, X, it means A is not an element of X. It means A is not an element of X. A is not an element of X. That's the meaning of the symbol. We also have other symbols. We have other symbol. Other symbols like this, where you have this symbol. A union. That's the symbol instead. A union X. A union X. A union X. It means A union X. A union X. So this symbol shows union in terms of set. Although where you have you like this also symbolize universal. Universal set. Universal set. But considering this, that is, when you have A union X, it means that is A is the union of X. But when you have only this symbol without any number, as is in this example above, it means universal set. We still have another symbol of set where you have this symbol. It means null set. It means what? Null set. Null set. It means an empty set. It means an empty set. Also, this null set can also be represented with this symbol. Can be represented with this symbol as an empty set. Null set and empty set are the same. We still have what is called complement in sets. Complement of a set. Where you have, for example, you have a complement. It means A is a complement of set A. A is a complement of set A. A is a complement of set A. Where you have one like this, it means a complement. That is, complement is a complement of A. We also have other symbols that I'm going to show you, where you have N. N means intersection. Intersection. That is, the intersection, something that is common between two objects. Intersection, something that is common. For example, if I have a friend and we are having the same car, number of car, I have 2 cars, he has 2 cars, that shows that we are having an intersection of 2 cars. That is, something, 2 things are common between us. That's the meaning of intersection. That's the symbol of this set. Also, we have other symbol. For example, where you have B with this symbol. B with this symbol. It means B is a subset of A. It means B is a subset of A. We also have, if you have B like this, B like this, it means B is a superset. Is a what? Is a superset of A. So we have what is called subset and we have what is called superset. Please don't make mistake. When you have something like this, it means subset. When you have something like this, it means star. It means superset. That's the meaning. Now I want to show you an operation of set. An operation of set, because we have known symbols of set now, where you have complement, intersections, subset, superset, empty set, union, universal. This is union. There are operations on set. But before then, I will explain types of set. Type of set. Before then, let me give you some questions to solve. Good. You are correct. I'm confident that you have gotten the answer. Let us proceed by showing you types of sets. We have different types of sets. 1. We have empty sets. Empty set. Empty set is also called non-set. So this is a set without any element. Empty set which is having a symbol, like I showed you earlier on, like this is an empty set, or you have a symbol like this, which is an empty set. It implies a set without an element in it. A set without an element. That's empty set. We have finite set. Finite set. Number 2. Finite set. Finite set, it means set that is countable. Set that is countable. For example, a grain of beans. That is, let's say a number of grain in a bag of beans. A number of grain in a bag of beans. So it's countable. Infinite set. Infinite set is an uncountable. Sands, for example, going to consider sand in the seashore is uncountable. So it's an example of infinite set. We also have disjoint set. Disjoint set. As I've said earlier on, finite set is kind of set that is countable, and I said infinite set is uncountable. I gave you an example. Now this type of set is called disjoint set. This set have no element in common. When they say something is disjoint, it's just an opposite of an intersection. That is, it doesn't have anything in common. Doesn't have anything in common. That is, if an element have no elements in common. For example, if I give you, if I explain, I and my friends, and my friend has 3 cars, I have 2 cars. It implies that we don't have elements in common. That is, 2 and 3 are different. Peradventure, I'm using Jeep. My car is using Honda Accord, which is not a Jeep. So we don't have anything in common. Out of the cars I'm using Jeep, and it doesn't have Jeep. So we can't use that one as an example of intersection. It's an example of a disjoint set. Also, we have number 5, equal set. Equal set. Equal set means an element that have the same number. An element that have the same number. Equal set. For example, where you have A is equal to 3, 1, 4, 7, and B is equal to 7, 4, 1, and 3. So they are happening the same thing. That's called equal set. 3, 1, 4, and 7. We only change the figure by having 7 here, 4 here, 1 here, and 3. So they have equal sets. So these are the type of sets we have. These are the type of sets we have. I believe you understand the type of sets we have explained. Let us consider this example with numbers, as I've shown you symbols of sets. Example, if we have a universal set, if the universal set is equal to 1, 2, 4, 6, 9, and 12. As I've said earlier on, that set is a collection of objects or things. This universal set shows the numbers of 1, 2, 4, 6, 9, 12. The question that follows said, A is having a set of 4, 6, 12. B is having a set of 2, 4, 9. What is the implication of this A and B? This A is a what? A subset of the universal set, U. B also is a subset because we can find the element of B in universal set. We can also find the element of A in universal set. So the universal set is a mother, and this subset, they are called the children. Now the question that follows now said, find A complement, 2, B complement, 3, A complement intersect B, then 4, A union B complement. This example has given us a clue about the set symbol where we have complement A, complement B, intersection, and union. Because this symbol means intersection. This symbol means union. As I've said earlier, where you have numbers that involve A union B, if it is standing alone like this, it's called universal. Solution to this question. A complement. A complement means that this number we have, 4, 6, 12, we are going to look for 4, 6, 12. Other numbers that are not in A, because they say A complement. What is the element that is not in A? That's the meaning of A complement. But they are in the universal set. A is having 4, 6, 12. We also have what? 1, 2, 4, 6, 9, 12. Therefore, A complement means that the numbers that are not in A, but they are in the universal set, that's the meaning of A complement. Therefore, our A complement is equal to 1. If you check the board, you discover that 1 is in universal set, is not in A. 2 is also in A, is in universal set, is not in A. 9 is in universal set and it's not in A. So A complement is equal to 1, 2, and what? 9. This is A complement. This is A complement. That is the elements that is in the universal set, but is not in A set. That's the meaning of A complement. 2. B complement. B complement. The B complement means, as I said earlier, the element in universal set, and they are not in the B set. Let's check. We have 2, 2 is here, 4, 4 is here, 9, 9 is there. Where are the elements that are not in B, but they are in the universal set? Is equal to 1 is not in B. Let's check. 6 is not in B. Also, we have 12, which is not in B. Therefore, the B complement is 1, 6, and 12. 1, 6, and 12. Let us proceed Sorry, I have to. Our A complement is equal to 1, 2, 9. Our B complement is equal to 1, 6, 12. Our universal set is equal to 1, 2, 4, 6, 9, and 12. The question is find A complement, B complement, A complement intersect B, and A union B complement. Our universal set is 1, 2, 4, 6, 9, and 12. Our A is 4, 6, 12. Our B is 2, 4, 9. A complement, as I've solved earlier, is 1, 2, and 9. Our B complement is 1, 6, and 12. Then the next question is find A complement intersect B. A complement intersect B. Solution. Our A complement is 1, 2, 9. Our B complement is 1, 6, 12. And our B is what? B is 2, 4, and 9. They now said A complement intersect B. I explained earlier the symbol of intersect, an element that is common between two objects is called an intersect. So what is an element that is common, A complement, between A complement and B? We discovered that 2 and 9 are common, so they are called intersect. Therefore, A complement intersect B is equal to 2 and 9 because 2 is in A complement, 2 is in B, 9 is in A, 9 is in B. Therefore, the element of A complement intersect B is 2 and 9. We are going to solve the last question, which is A union B complement. A union B complement. What is A? Our A is, the element in A is 4, 6, and 12. While the element in B is equal to 2, 4, and 9. Now, there's A union B complement. First of all, we need to find A union B. Our A union B is equal to, A union B means the total element in A and the element in B. We add them together. Element in A and element in B. That's the meaning of A union B. We had the element in A and element in B together. Therefore, A union B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 9, and 12 are called A union B. A union B, the element A union B are 2, 4, 6, 9, and 12. But the question is, find A union B complement. A union B complement. It means the total element in A added with the elements in B, then the element both in A and B that are in the universal set. The element both in A and in B that are not in universal set. Therefore, A union B complement is equal to, look at our universal set, we have 1, 2, 4, 6, 9, 12. But in our A union B, we have 2, 4, 6, 9, 12. So now, what are the elements that is in universal set, but they are not both in A and B? That's the meaning of A union B complement. 1 is the only number that is in the universal set, but they are not in A union B complement. Therefore, A union B complement is equal to 1. A union B complement is equal to 1. I am confident that you understood this topic called sets. And with the set symbols, with this example, I know you are going to solve questions ahead. Thank you. But before I go, I will give you these few evaluations to solve.